Barchangizga salom azizlar. Bugun sizlar bilan Asalbek. Bugun sizlar bilan DLC o'ynaymiz. Mana portlab turgan akkauntcha. Mana akkauntni maqtamasdan tez o'yin boshlashga o'tib ketamiz. Jigarli offline o'yin o'ynayman chunki bilasizlar, internet yo'qsam ekran zapis bichib qoladi. Xo'p.
Preparations are over, the players are out, and kick-off is just moments away. Well, I've just been handed the team sheets. Let's see how they'll line up. They're playing three at the front. It's a 4-3-3 formation.
Bu ise şahsen üzülmeye
1-2-3 formation, a slightly more cautious version of the 4-3-3, with one midfielder on defensive duties. What will be the outcome of today's game?
Messi Silva en yoqadi menga. Keyin Muhammad Salah bilan Gary Kane yoqadi. Harry Kane. Modric. Gol.
And it's in from Modric. He struck at such an important time here.
Jigarlar har rejimga turibdi. Baribir shuni gollarni uramiz. Chamanda endi ko'p hujumchilar borligi uchun hammasi o'yinga tiqib qo'yaveraman. Yana bor. Postman qilmagan. Ronaldo bor, Messi bor.
What a goal. Well, he decided to try his luck from a long way out there. But he connected so sweetly and the goalkeeper didn't have a prayer.
Keyingi safar sharhlovchini o'chirib turib o'zim sharhlab beraman. O'yinni o'zim sharhlab beraman. 5 ta like so'raman faqat. Bu ikkinchi qism uchun 3 ta like bo'ladi. Javob Modric. Hop, oldu. Tabii o.
He's moving fast with the ball. Surely
Gol.
2 goals today from this exciting player.
Norm jigarlar. Bu Gary Kane yaxshi. Men bilmam, Gary Kane hujumni
Saliba with the tackle. He's darting forward. The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. It's in. That's his hat-trick. What an achievement! What a goal! He didn't need any help from his teammates.
Bappele tezlik. Nechchi? Speed 94 ta. Tezlik вообще kichkina ekan. Manda keyin. İyi, mana 94. ekan. Bernardo вообще zo'r. Stamina bilan kon shot salpal kichkina. Kon stala stamina kuchli. 82. Ano jigarlar. Nima deyapman? Mana speed avval 90 falan edi. Endi nima ham deymiz, dilasana endi o'zini narsasida pasaytirib tashlabdi. Nu mayli. Ya avramiz. 94 to'lami 97 edi. 97 chiydi bilaman. Nima qaytolami 97 chiydi.
He's taken back possession.
So'rayotmaydi. Ta'minda.
Mo Salah. The defender regains possession, and now what a goal! Fantastic stuff. 4 goals for this player. He's unstoppable.
Agam sano bo'lmasa yana. Bilvasizlar, uning vaqti cho'zilibdi. Sezilganmi sizlar? Bir time 3,5 daqiqa bo'ladi. Hozir bir time o'zi 5 daqiqadan oshib ketdi. Sizga ham söylab. 2 time bularni 7 daqiqa. O'zim. Birgaligimiz so'raganimda. Shunga shu o'sha qo'ygan. 7 minut chiqdi shu. Tepaga joylamiz olsam bo'ladi.
He's
Pas
charging
veriyoruz.
down the
Birinci
wing.
time için yaxshi. Yuzlaqlar ama.
Moving down the flanks here.
Muhammed Salah ekan birdan olib qolgan chetroqda.
Really good
Oha
possession
Vini.
here.
Tezliging bor o'ynab o'tmadi.
What a well-timed tackle.
Voy, kinoyapti pas. Yana noto'g'ri berganman.
And back to the goalkeeper. He misjudged the pass.
Nima pas qilishga o'xshab berganman.
Now he's played it long.
Endi bulardan pas qilib o'tirgan.
Nice pass.
O'zim boraman. 10 ta gol berib, 10 ta yetdi.
Rodriguez.
Davay jigarlar hozir 7 ta gol bersin. Mana shu o'yinimizda sizlar kanalga obunacham bosib, like bosib qo'yasizlar, qarang. O'yin boshlandi.
Dispossessed there.
O'tib keta olasanmi?
Can anyone get on the end of this one? Gets the header. Goal for Mbappe.
Zoom.
Let's see the
Shu gol
build-up
yoqtir
which
ekan,
led to
mana
the
shu gol
goal.
yoqtir ekan. Qaranglar, mana shu gol yoqtir ekan. Guf deb saqlab qo'yamiz. Bitta gol qoldi.
Lead back to safety.
Bitta gol.
Good interception. Misplaced pass.
Kalla bilan men
He
bundan
steps up
to'xtatib
to
olishim
steal the
tushum
ball.
kerak endi.
He comes forward with the ball. Vinicius shoots.
Wow.
He's almost celebrating so
Urish
unlucky.
kerak edi, like bosardilar.
They're winning, but they're still
O'qish
going for more
soldilar.
goals.
Shu urish kerak, like bosasizlar. Gap turinglar.
Mbappe. Goodness me, that was close. He's waiting to pull the trigger. His
Wow.
teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff.
Hattir
An
git.
outstanding volley.
Üç
The
ikisi de
ball struck
forma
so
gidiyor.
sweetly.
Allah sizi.
Rodriguez.
Hoppa. Wow, Muhammed Salah.
The full-time whistle
Yeah.
sounds. The 90 minutes
Urdumni
run. That's
7-chi
all
gol
for
urdumni.
today.
Like va obuna istarsizlar chiqmasa, xayr.